Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the DB52 4x4 manual, new design, modified bumper, ready to drive unit. Four by four manual. This is the side view of the unit. Japan surplus mugs, direct import from Japan. This is, you can see by the this one. All unit is very nice. Side view of the unit. This one you can see. Inside view of the unit. Post 3. This is a diff lock unit and the Japan surplus stereo. 5-speed. This is handbrake. Direct import from Japan by first owner. This one unit. On the very hand, this one you can see tinted glass already. You can see the step boards. This one Suzuki Japan surplus 4x4 manual. This is the only the seats and the canopy. 4x4, very good. This is the step board of the unit. Other side view. Four by four stickers. Let's go towards the inside view. This is the inside view. Four by four. Let's the review and then we will close the video. Review of the unit. 52 manual 4x4. Off-road 4x4 stickers. Inside view, we will a very nice unit. I hope you will like this video. And this is the side view of the unit, and I hope you will like this video. And thank you very much viewers for watching. If you like this video, kindly support 4x4 DB52, and thank you very much for watching, and take care. God bless you. And if you like, please support this channel and I shall be thankful to you. And if you like anything, you can come and you can buy in a good price. Thank you very much. Take care. We have many units. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.